Wait, hold on. Don't start yet. Don't start yet.
Level it out a little bit. Handle lower. There you go.
I want it.
Ready?
Wait.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Safety.
So you hold it in and then close. Just hold the trigger.
Let go. Okay.
I'm not recording. I'm
Good.
taking
You're
a
almost
picture.
there. All right.
Do you want
Easy, you
do you
want
want
this
to
one?
try?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. You want to try these? Grab the camera.
Are you recording? You're good.
Hold it. Eve.
Grab the saw. And Steve, this is recording right now. It's recording right now.
Okay.
Same spot. Push down on the yellow thing right there.
Oh.
Okay. Keep going. Yellow button first.
Okay.
Ripped it out of the ground by his bare hands.
Here, hold on. Stand there, you guys. You go over next Dad. Dave.
So that's how you ripped it out of the ground.
All right.